Good afternoon friends, my name is Priya Sharma. I am in class 12th and today I am going to give my lecturate on the topic same-sex marriage. So first of all we will discuss that what is same-sex marriage. Then this refers to the situation when a person from LGBT plus community or from same sex tries to marry together. This topic was in current news in the India because many petitions has been filed in the Supreme Court regarding this topic. They argues that same-sex marriage should be legalized by the government and it should be and there should be laws regarding the same-sex marriage in the country. The government has also put its many arguments in the favor of same-sex marriage. The government says that there are laws existing in the country from the ancient time. The Special Marriage Act of 1954 has only decriminalized the homosexuality among the people. It has not legalized the same-sex marriage. It has also provided the right to marry together to the person who belongs to different religions, not to different sects. So the government says that if any changes that should be made in the legally in the constitution can be done by the parliament and not through the Supreme Court. So the government has given its arguments. Now we will discuss about the arguments that are in favor of same-sex marriage. Then the arguments are equal rights and opportunities. As we know that opposite sex couples have equal rights in the country. They enjoy their married life very freely. The same-sex couples has not such laws and rights. As we also know that LGBT plus community is also a part of the country in the world. So we should also give them equal rights as the opposite sex couples. Also the second one is strengthening the family. As we know that marriage provides strength to the community as well as to the persons and to the country also. So same-sex marriage should be allowed in the country. The third one is global acceptance. The global acceptance of same-sex marriage has been legalized only in few countries like Canada, Australia and US. There are many countries who have decriminalized the homosexuality, but there are only 32 countries in the whole world which has made legal laws on the same-sex marriage topic. There are also many arguments that are not in favor of same-sex marriage. Then the first one is religious and culture beliefs. There are many religions in India as we know. Then if we allow the same-sex marriage in the country, then people from the religion will say that a marriage between a man and a woman is a holy union. So same-sex couple marriage will provide many hustle in the country. The second one is procreation. Many people have the thinking that main purpose of marriage is only procreation and giving birth to a child. But as we know, same-sex couples cannot give birth to a child, so it should not be done. At last, I would like to conclude my topic. I would like to say that making people aware and educating them towards the LGBT plus community and also giving them education regarding the same-sex marriage and also sex in the country should be done so that their thinking will be broad and they can become open-minded as well. Thank you. That's about it.
Okay, very good. That's great.